Hello everyone, welcome to RVM-TECH channel. Today I will be showing you how you can save battery life on your newly purchased iPhone or old iPhone. It will significantly improve your battery life if you follow these tricks. So the first trick about to show you, you come to the setting, then you come under battery. Once you click on the battery, you're gonna click on battery health and charging. Then you're gonna click on optimized battery charging. You're gonna turn it on and you're gonna turn clean energy charging. And for the battery, make sure you do not use too much fast charging because the most people used maybe 25-volt charging. Then the more fast you charge, the more faster it drains. So if you use slow charging, it's better. The another tip, you should always turn on the dark mode. How you turn it on? You come to display and brightness, you click on, let's say you are on light mode, you click on dark. This will significantly improve your battery life. And the another feature I'm about to show you, it's called app refresh. Uh, you come to journal, then you gonna see here app refresh, app background and app refresh. You're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna turn off which you are not using, or you can completely turn off, or you can click on Wi-Fi. then uh, then the another tip, you're gonna see for location services, because the Google Map or Apple Map always using your services which drain most of the battery. So you're gonna come to the settings and you're gonna click on privacy and security, and you're gonna click on the first location and services. You see this is on, and some of the app is only while using, so you can turn it off if you are not using location services. So let's say you WhatsApp, I don't need it, it always using my location services. You can turn it on or never if you are not sharing with anyone, so you can turn back off. It will significantly improve your battery life because it's always refreshing the location services for all the apps. And if you come back and you're gonna see analytics and improvements, so you're gonna click on it, then you're just gonna turn it off all of them. In my case, I already turned it off, so you should turn it off. It will significantly also improve your battery life. So the another thing, it's the auto lock. So i- if you come to display and brightness, and the auto lock should be it should be always set to 1 minute, because it will lock your phone after 1 minute if when there is no movement. So it will also improve your battery life. And the another setting, you should always turn on the auto brightness. So you come to accessibility, you come to display and text size, and the auto brightness should be off, because if you go on sunlight, it turns on the brightness to the maximum, like 100%. So you don't want to do that. If you are not even using your phone, the brightness remain 100%. It also increase the battery efficiency. And the last tip I would like highly recommend to everyone, please turn off the Bluetooth when you don't need it, because it will also keep searching and Wi-Fi too. If you have a Wi-Fi, it also keeps searching. Please turn it off when you don't need it. It will significantly improves your battery life. Thank you. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel. I will be posting this more. Thank you.